Hi there, students. Mock, to mock, both an adjective and a verb. So as an adjective, mock means an imitation, not meant to trick or deceive, but a copy of something, and usually very inferior in quality. You can also use the verb to mock like this. This model mocks real life, but to mock is much more commonly used, meaning to ridicule, to laugh at, to taunt or to make fun of, to make jokes about. Na 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 na. To laugh at somebody or tease them with scorn or contempt, particularly by copying them or parodying them. No, you mustn't do that. So you are mocking somebody, perhaps you're parodying their high voice. So to mock, to copy, but in an insulting way. This lampoon is mocking the president. Okay? So to mock, to laugh at, to make jokes at, but to ridicule in a nasty way. Okay, mock as an adjective, an imitation, a copy. So for example, a mock battle, where they reenact a battle from the past, a mock battle from the English Civil War. Or you could have a mock exam. So before you take the real exam, you take a similar exam in similar conditions, but one that your teachers have made to get you accustomed to it. So mock, false, sham, a simulation, and usually mock is of lesser quality. You could have mock turtle soup. Okay, turtle soup was a real delicacy. It probably still is, but it used to be incredibly expensive, and only the very rich could eat it. So they designed a mock turtle soup made from the different organs of a baby cow. And this mock turtle duplicated the texture and the flavour of real turtle soup, but much cheaper. He looked at me in mock horror when I told him it was raining. Oh my gosh, it's raining. That's awful. That's so bad. Simulating, but here we're getting towards the idea of mocking. You could make a mockery of something. The way people are going round the rules is making a mockery of the law, making it look ridiculous. You could have a mock-up. This is where you make a model of something or a copy of something to see how it's going to look, but not using all the expensive bits, or maybe not in full size, just to see what goes where. So, mock, copy. With the verb to mock, I've also seen the idea of to disappoint. It seemed like life was mocking me. But here, to disappoint, I get the feeling that fate or life is just laughing at you. Each failure, each failed attempt mocked my intention of doing it correctly. You know, the kids at school, very often they choose someone and they start to mock them. Nah, 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 nah. They laugh at them. That's to mock. Okay, so what about formality? I think you could use this in an informal conversation. I'd probably give it a 6 informality, although I might use to tease or to laugh at or something like that. Notice as well, to mock is a regular verb. He mocked me. He has mocked me for many years. And then the origin. Well, there's a French word moquer, to deride or to jeer. Ooh. And then there was an old Saxon word, mokian, meaning to bellow, like a bull, or to mumble, not to talk clearly. And there's even a Proto-Indo-European word, muck or mug, meaning to mumble. So I think if you mumble, maybe it sounds like words, but it's difficult to understand them. So mock as an adjective, a copy, inferior in quality, not designed to trick anybody. And then to mock, to laugh at, to ridicule, to poke fun at. Okay, so there you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Mock.